Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through how to use an online board. So this is our board. To activate it, you click on edit here. Then you get the interface, which looks like this. Okay, I'll have these panels. I'll have this panel for teachers details. This one is for school details. This one is for board details, and this one is for the tool settings. Let's say we want to increase the opacity or degree of transparency. You choose the colors. There are some boards when you select them, you get their default colors. So if you want to change, you change from here. Change the colors you want. Okay, this is a panel here. When you are using a mobile phone, it helps you to scroll. This one, you can see here is a mark. This one is a pen tool. Okay, this one is used to highlight. This is a laser. So these are shapes you can use to draw, say a line. Let's say you want to draw a graph like this. Okay, you choose these lines. So then you choose a pen to write what's the graph. Y equals what? Y equals x. So this is a square tool, outlined one. So it's used to highlight something. You can see also this tool and this field, square or a rectangle tool, sphere, an ellipse. So this triangle tool and the text if you want to write something. Now you can save state by saving the board. So when you save the board, you can share, everyone can have access to your board. You can change the board. Let's say you want a whiteboard. Sorry. You can't navigate back. So if you want another board, you add a board from here. If you want a chalkboard, if you want a blackboard, if you want a dotted one, and if you want a line dotted board. So when we can see each board has its default color: a black with a white, chalk with a white, and a white with a black. So you just write something here. Okay. Now let's say you have notes, like a PDF notes, but you want to highlight and explain to your students. You choose from PDF board, then you enter your notes from here. Okay, then you explain that PDF. You can mark, you can do everything you want. So here you can clear everything on the board. Here you expand the board. So we have this panel. Let's say you have prepared some notes. Let's say you write here your notes down. Hash stands for heading. 2 stars you are uploading the text or the statement. 1 star, you are making the statement italic. So this one can help you to write some equations. Okay, inline equations, you write it like this, like E equals mc squared for energy. Here you can write fractionalized equations as well. Here you can also paste your YouTube link to make the sessions more interesting. Okay, I have prepared some notes. Let me just paste them. So you can see here our topic is electromagnetism notes. So you can see here 2 hash, that's the heading. This one was italic, let's say. This one is the gap, you are increasing the gap. So here you can see an inline formula looks like this. Okay, and then this is a block formula as well. So here let's reduce some gaps. Then heading number 3, electromagnetism. So here you can see the right rule, how do we explain it. Here you can see Faraday's law. There is an inline equation too. Okay, these are notes I have prepared with you guys, so that to see how you can use the board, you can see how write the fraction equations. So this is the edit tab. If you know some computer basics, you can, this one is easier for you. So this one, there are the YouTube links, you paste them the way they are. So after pasting them, let me show you something. So I think everything is okay. Now after prepared your work with everything clear, then you review. So after review, you can see how the notes looks like. So these are electromagnetism notes. You try to explain each and every formula. Okay, you can see how the equations look like. I guess you are explaining to your students somewhere. So now these are the YouTube links. Okay, so you drag the video to this one. Okay, then you try to expand it as well. You try to drag it as well to fit the whatever. Then you play the YouTube video.
This episode is supported by Prudential. So it's Friday, April 21st, 1820. A physics professor in Denmark named Hans Christian Ørsted is in the middle of a lecture and he's using a compass and an electric wire.
To your students, clear work. Let's say you have more videos here. So you arrange all the videos together. Okay, so now let's remove this. Now there are equations here on this panel. So this one you drag them too, so that okay, this panel is for. So chemistry equations, physics equations, and many others. So that's the brief overview of an online board. Okay, you explain the board, then you write everything you want. So you explain to students or to learners
for a demonstration. He turns on the current that runs through the wire and he notices that the needle in the compass.
Thank you very much. So continue supporting Attendify. So how do you get this board? To get this board is for your school administrators to provide with you this kind of link. You can see this is the ID. So this is the teacher's ID, and as you saw, there is the teacher's name and the school. So the administrators register teacher. After registering a teacher, then he creates the board for each teacher and shares that board with teachers they have. Okay. So this one is the online teaching. Let's say the students are in holidays. You want to teach them online. You organize your Google Meet. I think Google Meet is the best because it shares the screen for it shares the tab information. So you share this tab with the board so that you can try to explain each and everything very well. So there are some notes you can add there to explain to your students all materials and explain to your students very well. So your school administration will visit Attendify.site. Let me write it here. Attendify.site. So this one is available on internet. So its logo is look like this one in the bar here. So the school creates the account. It's free for 3 months, and then the school will subscribe 20k for each and every month. So this one was mainly for attendance of students, whereby students use the QR codes. You give the ASCII a mobile application which is used to scan students' arrivals and departures for day scholars, then and boarding scholars, their returns and exits. Let's say the students going home because she's sick. So all those information have to be captured by ASCII and then saved to the school administrators panel, whereby for the mere analysis the parents come and then the school try to go and check the analysis, the performance of attendance of the students in that school. Then for that the company added the SMS notifications. So they need to customize. Let's say that the school wants the parent to know whether his child has arrived or departed. The school, they set that one for arrivals or departures or for boarding or for all events. The school administrator can decide to leave for the SMS things. And also the company added the class attendance, whereby a teacher have a mobile application to take the attendance of students in his class. Let's say chemistry attendance in senior 4 stream will be like that, and many others. So try to visit the site, you get impressed. So these are one of the products. All events are managed by the administrators. The rest are provided with a link. Even the parents portal is administrators to provide the link with him. So also the assessments gives the reports, and the reports have QR codes whereby a parent can scan to verify the marks for his or her students, her son, her daughters, because usually in secondary school students use fake marks. So after the student got the report, then he brings the students